Hi, my name is Elizabeth Renteria, and I just attended the WREN Ignite Your Fire Within conference, and it was incredible. I am so thankful that I was here, and I'm so thankful to the super women that put it all together. It's really a gift for women interested in real estate investing. I felt like being amongst other super powerful, strong, inspirational, and motivational women is so encouraging. It's so empowering, it's powerful, and I loved so many of the speakers and what they had to say and what they shared. There were things that came up that were reminders. One of them was that this real estate effort is a team sport. I thought that was a great reminder that we're in it together, that we need each other, and this really facilitates that togetherness. So I thought it was a beautiful experience that we could share with other women and not just all the men that dominate this industry. So I'm thankful that this creates a platform for working directly with other women that are so successful in this business and just doing such a great job. I also really loved what Christina Sutter said. She said that the heart of a woman cuts deep. And for me, that feels so profound. It seems so substantial because it means so many different things, which is a woman. A woman is so powerful in so many areas. So her saying that the heart of a woman cuts deep really felt like it encompassed who we are and how powerful we could be and how successful our futures could be. So thank you to all the women that put this together. I loved it, and I can't wait to be here again. Just make it longer next time. Thank you.